When we breathe mindfully and with a lot of awareness, our breath becomes this amazing tool that we can use to help us calm our mind, calm our nervous system, relax our body, reduce heart rate, reduce blood pressure, as well as our breathing rate. Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to today's Pranayama practice. We're going to be using our breath as a tool to help us cleanse, relax, reduce stress, calm our mind, as well as increase the capacity in our lungs. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel, shoulders relaxed and eyes closed. We're simply going to breathe in and out, just noticing the rise and fall of our abdomen. Bringing our awareness to our breath. Now as we breathe in, we're going to try to bring our belly forward. As we breathe out, we're going to pull our navel back in the direction of our spine. One more breath like that. Now bringing our awareness to the tip of our nose. Noticing the air moving in through our nostrils and out through our nostril. One more breath here. Now gently open your eyes with a few blinks. Adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand. And with your right hand, you're going to use your thumb to open and close your right nostril, your ring finger to open and close your left nostril. Your index and middle finger, you're going to rest it either at your nose or the space between your eyebrows. First practice is Bhastrika Pranayama, which is again a cleansing practice. I'll leave more details about it in the description below. So we'll begin by sitting tall. Just remember not to start slouching or bending forward, which naturally happens during the practice. Just be aware to keep your back straight, shoulders squared, face relaxed. Close your right nostril. You're going to breathe out completely through your left. Breathe in through your left. Again, breathe out through your left. Now we'll begin the practice. We're going to forcefully breathe in and out through our left nostril. Just expanding and collapsing our chest. We'll do 10 rounds of this. Take a deep breath in through both your nostrils. Breathe out completely. Next round. Again, close your right nostril. In and out through your left. Breathe in through both your nostrils. Breathe out through both. Continue keeping your eyes closed. This time with our ring finger, we're going to close our left nostril. Inhale and exhale through our right. Now forceful inhalation, exhalation through our right nostril. Breathe in through both. Breathe out through both. Next round. relax. Just notice how you're feeling in your body. Now we're going to breathe through both our nostrils. Breathe out forcefully through both. One more round. Now we're going to be doing belly breathing or diaphragmatic or abdominal breathing. This is again a great practice to do if you want to help reduce stress, relax your mind, calm your mind, and this can be done anytime, anywhere throughout the day. So place your hands on your abdomen, back is nice and straight. Close your eyes. Now as you breathe in, try and push your belly into your palms, and as you breathe out, trying to bring your navel back towards your spine. Keep it nice and long. Breathe in and out. You're going to do 5 rounds of this. As you breathe in, push your belly into your palms. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Next round. And back. 3 more rounds like this. Completely breathe out. Drop your hands down, open your eyes with the pupils. Next, we're going to be practicing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This is again a balancing pranayama practice which can be done by everybody. We're going to simply keep the simple mudra. Again, thumb closes the right nostril, ring finger the left nostril. Sit tall. Left hand is in Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Completely breathe out through your left nostril. Simply breathe in through your left. Don't worry about how long you breathe in or breathe out. Just feeling the air entering your nostril through your left. Breathe out through your right. This time, breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril. Breathe out through your left. Continue keeping your eyes closed. Now we're going to breathe in for 2 counts through your left. Close the left nostril. Breathe out through your right for 2 counts. 2 and 1. Breathe in through your right. 1, 2. Breathe out through your left. 2. One more round like this. Count in your mind for 2. Close the left nostril. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close your right. Completely breathe out through your left. If this is comfortable, we'll increase the count by 1. So we're going to breathe in this time for 3 counts. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through your right. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through your right. 1, 2, 3. Close your right. Completely breathe out through your left. One more round. This time when you breathe in, see that you're taking a deep breath, and if possible, push your belly forward. 1, 2, 3. Close your left nostril. Pull your navel back towards your spine as you breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Now breathe in all the way, your lungs completely expanding. And exhale, trying to pull the navel back towards your spine. Now, if this is comfortable for you, we can increase by another count, breathing in for 4, breathing out for 4. But if this is even 2 or 3 is too much, just stick to that. We'll do 2 more rounds of it. Now breathe in through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through your right. And completely exhale through your left. One more round. Breath in. 1, 4. Breathe out. Breathe in. And completely breathe out through your left. Drop your hands. Once you get comfortable here, you can increase the rounds and do up to 9 rounds. Just adopt Chin Mudra in both your hands. Breathe in through your nose, through both your nostrils. Breathe out through both your nostrils. Notice how you feel in your body. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I would love to hear your experience in the comments below. I have other videos wherein a little longer pranayama practice. I will leave a link to that in the description below. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like this video. I'll see you soon with another short video on balance coming out next week. Namaste.